Hello class, and welcome to week 4 of MGMT 3030. Okay everyone, we are on week 4, and I tell you, I can already tell you that with regard to the discussion, I'm really enjoying the points that you're making. I know last week the situation probably seemed like it was pretty, easy. But here's the thing, folks. When we're talking about collecting data, sure, there's certain things that you may want to do and that you think that you can do, but there's a whole lot of other repercussions that you need to understand with collecting data. And that was one of the reasons why I was asking some of you some of the questions that I did, is just to see, play devil's advocate with regard to questioning, data and how you should collect it and how private it should be, how much are you putting yourselves out there from an individual standpoint. Whenever you allow data to be transferred to other places, probably in some situations without you knowing that you're doing so, or that somebody's doing it for you. Okay, so that was something I wanted to see last week, and I see that when I raised questions that you all really started broadening your answer, and in some cases you were more specific with regard to the details and your points and your reasoning, so that was good to see. Okay, so let's make sure we keep that up. This week we're moving into a different direction. We understand data, and that's something that was really a big theme of the week last week, but this week we're really going to be discussing software. And I know what you're thinking, well, why is software important? Why do we need to understand it? Because everything that we work on right now has to, especially on a computer, there is some software that has been developed specifically for that particular system or product or service, whatever it is that we're using. And understand the fact that these applications that are out there have to be sophisticated because there's just so much data out there now. So now these you're asking these applications to make sure that they can do all of these things that sometimes even the smartest person couldn't do. Okay, and these applications are really helping that along. So what we're going to be looking at this week is really understanding the fact that with software, there is planning that's involved. As you're doing your reading, understand the planning aspect and understand truly what it is that you're trying to do. Where is it that you're actually trying to go with regard to whatever it is that you're working on, and understanding the software aspect to it, or making a change, okay, using a certain type of software. Okay, what is your approach? Where are you headed? What is it that you're trying to do? Because once you understand all of these points, folks, it makes it so much easier when you're dealing with software and making sure that things are moving along as they should. Okay? All right, so that's the main focus for this week. We have our discussions, and we also have the other assignments that you should be working on. So far, a lot of you all have been working on the assignments, and even if you get a chance that get to a point where you may not be able to finish the assignment, don't sit back and not submit the assignment. Submit the assignment as best you can, okay? Because remember, some points are better than no points at all, okay? And so that's something that I want to make sure that everybody understands that we have for this course, is that I want to make sure that everybody has a good grasp of the material. Okay? All right. So that's where we are for this week, folks. I'm looking forward to our discussions again, because, again, they've been pretty lively. And I also want to, again, thank you all for all of your hard work. And if you have any questions at all about any of the material, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a great week, everyone. Bye now.